Okay, our peas are steaming, our potatoes are in the oven, and our steaks are marinating and they're almost done. So we're going to do a step here now for our garnishes. I'm going to cut 2 cloves of garlic. While the steak is thin, and we could just broil it, I prefer these on the grill. We don't have a grill, so I'm going to try and emulate the smoky flavor by sauteing the steak with a little bit of marinade in the garlic. So there's still garlic in the marinade, but I cut that pretty thick. So we're actually just going to pull the steak out and then cut this garlic a lot thinner. And then, because we have rosemary, small amounts in the dish, I'm going to cut up some rosemary to garnish the entire plate. Again, if you grab near the top and pull down, all these leaves will come right off, and then sort of pick the ones at the top off. Then we're going to go ahead and dice this up.